Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about buffered input stream class in Java, part of Programming in Java course. The buffered input stream class is a part of java.io package, and it provides a buffered input stream for reading bytes from a file or other input sources. It is used to improve the performance of input operations by reading a large block of bytes at a time from the underlying input stream and then providing them to the user one byte at a time. Here is an example of how to use buffered input class to read a file. In this example, a new file input stream object is created and passed to the buffered input stream constructor, passing the file name example.txt as a parameter. The read method is used to read a byte of data from the buffered stream, and the while loop continues until the end of the file is reached. Finally, the close method is called on both the buffered stream and the input stream to close the streams and release any resources associated with it. The buffered input stream class also provides several other methods for reading data from a file, such as read, which reads bytes from the file into the specified byte array, and skip with parameter long, which skips over n bytes of data. It is important to note that if a file does not exist, buffered input stream will throw a file not found exception. Also, buffered input stream does not close the underlying input stream when it is closed. So it is important to close both the buffered input stream and the underlying file input stream or input stream to release the resources associated with it. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.